Hey yo, it's Chriso. So what I'm doing here now, I'm going to spread my glue. I've pre-cut my couple of tiles for the PowerPoint. I'm going to be starting a full tile at the edge there, at the corner, and my cut tile will be against the architrave. My tile will be finishing a little bit above that pencil line. So that pencil line was just there to make sure I didn't go any higher with my primer. This glue is a mastic glue, but it's not a one pot. I'm using a 6mm trowel. This is the only time I spread my wall. I never spread my walls in bathrooms because it goes off quicker. I'll be using a 1.5mm cross, a spacing cross. Get it on and you're home and hose. Right, I'm leaving a bigger gap because Coco, the owner, wants a bigger PowerPoint. I don't want to go too small and then the Sparky is having to drill through the tile. Let's make it easier for the Sparky. We just need a bit of glue on that bottom edge. That bit of glue on the bottom I'll wipe up in a minute when I have a sponge and water. DIYs, always protect your bench. Whether you're doing it for yourself or whether you're doing it for someone else. See my cut there? It's about 100mm. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. We'll see you. Bye.